Are you struggling to connect with others? Do you find it challenging to form meaningful relationships? Whether you're looking to make new friends, impress your coworkers, or just be more likable in social situations, we've got you covered. Here are some tips on how to make people like you. Tip number 1. Be authentic. People can sense when you're not being genuine, so it's important to be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, just to impress others. Instead, focus on being the best version of yourself. Tip number 2. Show interest. People love to talk about themselves, so show interest in what others have to say. Ask questions and listen actively. This will not only help you build stronger connections, but also make people feel valued and appreciated. Tip number 3. Be positive. Negativity is a major turnoff for most people, so try to maintain a positive attitude. Smile often, look for the good in situations, and avoid complaining. This will make you look more approachable and enjoyable to be around. Keep in mind, however, that it's okay to not be positive all the time. Some days are just, you know what I mean. Number 5. Be reliable. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Being reliable is important for building trust and respect. When people know they can count on you, they'll be more likely to want to spend time with you and form a relationship. Tip number 4. Practice empathy. Put yourself in other people's shoes and try to understand their perspective. This will help you build empathy, which is essential for forming strong relationships. When you can relate to others on a deeper level, they'll be more likely to like and trust you. Remember, building strong relationships takes time and effort, but by following these tips, you'll be well on your way to making people like you and forming lasting connections. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next video.